Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiki Well with Byram House. This is my review or update on the Passion Twist by Lulutress. I did that video 3 weeks plus ago, so if you haven't checked that out, I would link it in the description. Go check it out. This is Passion Twist by Lulutress crochet hair, and you know I love my crochet. If you didn't know that, well, now you do. And I just wanted you guys to see the hair 3 weeks later. Now mind you, I did not take care of this hair. I don't put mousse, I don't put oil, none of that on my hair. Plus I was slipping on it, so I wasn't covering it. Even the days when I remembered to put my bonnet on, it will be off and on the bed by the morning. So yeah, it's been through a lot. I did not take care of it, to be fair, but 3 weeks later, this is what it looks like. I want you to see the hair itself, okay? This. And forgive me for coming on here looking raggedy, because I know I look pretty interesting. No makeup, nothing. Well, I don't have to all the time, let's be real. And I'm comfortable with how I look, so stop judging me. I'm gonna be myself, you know what I mean? So yeah, so this is what it looks. The style itself is old and ugly, and it needs to come down, and this is what the hair looks like. You be the judge of whether it looks good 3 weeks later or not. I feel like I got, you know, my money's worth out of it. It was only $520 something or $590 something, I don't remember, a pack, $525 a pack, and I had to use 8 packs, you know. So you know me, I'm El Cheapo, but yeah, I mean, for the cost and the price of this hair, you know, I got my money's worth. 3 weeks is good enough. So it's coming down today, but I wanted you guys to see it. Honest review. You decide if you like the way it looks 3 weeks later. Now, if you like to get 6 weeks out of your hair, this is not the hair for that. Okay, this is like 2-3 weeks hair. You know, I even kept it longer because, you know, I started a new job and it's just taking my time. But 2 weeks, I was supposed to be pulling this down. You know what I mean? So if you like for your hair to last long, this is not the hair, you know. But yeah, that's all I've got to say. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Join this family. Let's be virtual families. Love you guys and happy Thanksgiving. Bye.